So if you can't hear me, it's because I'm fishing. I caught one fish and Tim caught one fish. Tim was a bigger bass than my bass, but it was still an okay bass for where we're fishing. I don't know if you guys just heard that, but that was like a huge freaking fish that just flopped. I'm fishing in a kayak. I'm definitely not a good kayak fisherman. I don't know what's going on right now. If you can't tell, I suck. Ow. I really messed this up. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try and catch this fish now. I fixed all this hot mess. I'm kind of impatient, so like not a great look on me, but I do enjoy fishing. We just built a fishing boat. I have made a few vlogs about it, but the problem with our fishing boat is that the trailer is a little bit wonky right now, so it's being fixed, and trying to get it in the water is not going to be as easy as we thought it was going to be. So no fishing boat right now. We used it 2 weekends ago for the first time, and I caught a monster bass. Insert picture here, for real. It's probably like 3 pounds, which for where we live, that's not too bad. That's pretty good for where we live. This is my first time on that lake, and I was very happy with it. I guess you could say we're more bass fishermen than anything. We really only end up ever catching bass and what are they called? Northern pike. For anyone who doesn't have northern pike where they live, they're like a muskie but tinier, maybe skinnier, a little skinnier too. We've tried catching some walleye. That has not gone very well for us, unfortunately, but that's okay. It was really hot out, but there are some big thunderstorms rolling in today, so it's actually kind of nice out right now. But yeah. The problem about fishing right now is not necessarily that I'm in a kayak, but I have everything in my kayak because I'm tinier, and I can't move at all. So like if I catch a fish, it's like, oh, I almost had a fish. I almost had a fish. I just had a nibble. So we gotta get back in there fast. But it blew me up and got me all tangled. Okay, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Okay. Okay, it's playing hard to get now. It didn't look huge, but fish is a fish. We normally just catch and release our fish. Part vlog. A vacation vlog, 2 parts. Ooh, that was typical me. I am now stuck on a branch. So, here we go. Last time I got stuck was about 20 minutes ago. It was really unfortunate because not only did I get stuck, but I freaking cut my finger when I got stuck. Now I'm running over. Dude, if you guys were here in real life, you would be dying laughing at me struggling right now. Ooh, okay, you gotta slow us down. Attempt to uncabobble this. Apparently our friend is starving and we need to head in right now. That was what my phone call was. I am feeling a lot better today than I was the last few days. Like mentally, I was really struggling. I was just feeling so lonely. And I think that's pretty normal for people, especially right now with everything going on. It's hard to feel like, oh God, I almost just got stuck again. It's hard to feel like you're not alone when you're so isolated because we can't see people's smiles. And I think smiles are really important. When I went for my job interview, that was something I was so nervous about because imagine trying to convince somebody to hire you, right? But they have no idea what you truly look like. A smile is so important, especially for something that I'm trying to do, like a receptionist, assistant job. People are supposed to like you, you know, and feel comforted by you. And I'm so happy that they were allowing us to just separate and take off our masks so that we could really get to know each other. But yeah, that is not good. I got stuck in a tree. I am a really bad fisher. You can tell the humidity is just wonderful outside. I look gorgeous right now. Okay. I think my boyfriend agrees that like we don't want to head in yet, and we're kind of like dilly-daddling on our way in. I don't know, can you guys see like, hold on, I'm gonna go this way and you'll be able to see how the leaves are already changing where I live. Oh, look at that one. That one's pretty. Oh, there's the baby cows. Hello.
Come on, West, and let's meet your bull riders. It's an Ironman contest tonight. We'll watch 14 cowboys compete not once, but twice tonight from the award-winning livestock of the Rice Bull Riding Company Tour. The cowboy with the highest 2 scores on the pair.
have a feeling that my camera is going to fall down. So I'm unboxing this. We just got back and I thought, since I had a package, I might as well throw it into the vlog or into the next vlog. Whatever vlog this is, I don't really know. I went a little crazy for my Bible journaling. I am trying to get back into it to really like, I always feel closer to God when I'm really embracing the Bible. So, moral of the story is I bought a bunch of stuff, like these pens and some stencils because I'm not very good at coloring, some new highlighters because a lot of my highlighters are gone. My niece likes to play with them, so who knows where they are. So I got that, and then this is like a whole set. So it has some of this, like those highlighters, but these are not the same as these, I guess you could say. And then I'll just open it. So it has highlighters, pens, regular pencils, and then like color pencils. And then it also has a couple little stencils in it, but not as many as that one. Oh, I cannot get this closed. Oh, it also comes with a pencil sharpener, so that's nice. Oh no, now I plan on doing a Bible, either a journal or a like study video soon. I don't know when. I start my job tomorrow. Well, for you guys, I've already started my job, but I start my job tomorrow, and I'm gonna be a little busy doing that, so I can't exactly film as much. I don't know what my schedule's gonna look like. It's not like a crazy full-time job or anything, but I still don't know what the schedule is gonna look like for me right now or in the future. It's kind of up in the air. Thanks for watching this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to talk a little bit more at the beginning of it. I know I normally don't talk in a lot of my vlogs because I'm like all over the place and I'm just showing you kind of what I did. So I hope you guys kind of enjoyed that, and I hope you guys kind of like the bull riding and the barrel racing. I have never seen that stuff in real life before, only on TV, and it was kind of exciting. It was like a small town fair, but still, that was exciting just to see and watch. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!